Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix Steam games not downloading in 2025, step by step. If this helps you out, consider subscribing and hitting the like button so more people can see it. So, let's get started. First, open up Steam, and at the top left corner, click on the word Steam, then click Settings. In the Settings window, head over to the Downloads tab on the left. Now scroll down a bit until you see the Clear Download Cache button. Click that, then press OK to confirm. Steam will restart automatically. This often clears out temporary issues. Once Steam reopens, go back to the Steam menu, click Settings again, and this time head over to the Storage tab. Find your game library folder and click the three dots next to it. Now choose Repair folder. This will fix any issues with game file directories that may be blocking downloads. Finally, once all that's done, go ahead and restart your computer. Just hit the Windows Start button, select the power icon, and click Restart. This refreshes your system and completes the fix. And that's it! Your Steam games should now start downloading without issues. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!